Positive masculinity, good relationships, what's all that about these days, eh? We're speaking to men across Wales about this and what they know about the term love bombing. Have you heard of love bombing before?
No,
That's a new phrase that people are starting to use.
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
Maybe. I don't know, maybe.
Let's have a guess.
I read it's just like, going the extra mile.
Is that just like overcompensating with like, because you have different types of love, don't you? Like gifts and like touch and like stuff like that.
Love bombing is where you overload someone with loads of love and affection and care. It could be gifts, it could be words, it could be physicality, and then you take it away really quickly and replace it with nothing or abuse. And it's a kind of a manipulative act that some people do to get their partner on side, and then they take it away and then they're going, oh, I don't know where I am now because the love is now gone. What do you think positive masculinity means? What do you reckon?
Well, to me, it's just being a male figure myself now. It's just being happy. The worst thing I've been heard of, because I'm a man, get on with it, take it on the chin. It's not as simple as that. I know it's not.
It means a lot different to what it did when I was growing up. I'm 44 now, so it's a lot different to what it was. Yeah,
I think it's changed for the better. Where
definitely
you know?
for the better.
Okay.
When I was growing up, it was a different world. It was the man had his place, the woman had her place, and now it's equal, isn't it?
What does a positive relationship look like to you?
When you and the person you're with are really happy, you both can tell each other anything, nice to each other, no argument.
Sometimes people have arguments to test each other sometimes, and that could be good sometimes, I guess. Like when my partner had our first argument, we were a bit like, oh, I don't like this, but it actually makes us kind of stronger. But it's nice to be respectful. Gaslight, yo. Did you feel I'm gaslighting a gaslight?
I have, yeah, on sides included. Say something about the actual term.
Off the top of my head now, I actually don't know.
Yeah, when you like lie to someone and put stuff in their head that's not actually true, but like you make them believe that it's true.
It can be hard to like just identify it happening to you.
Can take a guess?
Yeah, gaslighting. So rhywun sydd yn chwythu lan yn hawdd yn pan maen nhw'n cwmpa mas, ag yma.
It's like when you try and convince someone that they're in the wrong, like you convince them that your way of thinking is right.
That's basically it.